Hey traders, silver and gold time. All right, let's have a quick look at silver and gold. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. This video here is just to educate you on what I'm seeing in the markets right now. All right, fantastic. Now, let me clear my voice now. Let's go straight into silver first and we'll show you what's actually happening here with silver. So what's happening with silver overall? Remember, let's go back to this weekly chart here, guys. We want to make sure we keep an eye on this weekly chart of what's really going on. Actually, let's go back to the daily chart. What do we see here on this daily chart, guys? Firstly, we see this market is actually what? It's broken up, and now we're getting a bit of sideways movement, right? You can see how it's broken out of this wedge right now. Create a little low, create a little high low, and now I do believe we're likely to start finding a bit of a bottom through here, and we're likely to start moving back to the high side when it comes to this here. So looking at this here, and again, if we look at that weekly chart, guys, if you look at that weekly chart, let's take everything off the screen. Again, that weekly chart is definitely a big key indicator for me. And once again, if you look at this here, we had this major high, low, and this major high low. So if we start to get a nice little rally back above this 1750, guys, we're likely to break up to probably 1850 and then probably run back up and have that move that I think a lot of people are waiting for when it comes to silver and gold. Now, moving on to the gold chart. Gold chart is very similar to the silver chart as well too. You can see we're actually at this resistance line right now again. But there's a few things here, guys, that I want to share with you guys what's been happening. The first thing you can see here is we've just been squeezing up into this overall sort of triangle pattern through here, just squeezing up this triangle pattern. By looking at the short-term chart, you can see we're just squeezing. We're at this overall major resistance level through here, as you can see, and it's the market's sort of rejecting where it is right now, and we see that there. Now, if we go to the weekly chart, once again, guys, you can see that what is the key level for me on silver and gold, or on gold. We have a high, we have a high, we have a low. This ultimately could be another high low. If that's the case and we start to get a break above, say, this 13.20 level, then that tells me we're likely to run back up to the highs here and probably then break the highs, and then we're likely to see a pretty sharp move up from there. So there we go, guys. Quick little update on silver and gold. That's what I'm seeing there on what's happening there on silver and gold.